Rizal from Pacific Link College, Philippines. At today, may interviewin ulit tayong students na finally na-visa approved na at konting kembot na lang at aalis na ng Pilipinas. At yan ay walang iba kundi si Rob. So, hi Rob! So, bali may mga questions na ako itatanong sa iyo para finally, mabigyan natin ng advice yung mga students natin na alam ko gusto rin nilang malaman to at gusto rin nilang makapunta ng Canada kagaya mo. So, for the first question is, what do you feel right now na finally visa approved ka na?
I'm excited at the same time tense because I have a lot of preparation to do and more time with family.
Oo, kasi konti na lang, Kaya sulitin talaga ang time with family. So, next question. What are your preparations? Speaking of preparations, ano ba yung mga preparations na ginagawa mo? Kasi di ba yung departure time, isa May 15 na.
Ng flight, hanap na housing, apply sa visa before, and more time with family talaga.
Tsaka yung mga papers, na mga
Yes.
documents na kailangan pa. So, yun yung mga need yung i-prepare, guys. So, for the third question naman, why did you choose Canada? Ano bang meron si Canada? Bakit yung Canada yung
First is, yung education nila is, that's the quality ng education nila, and credit just world class. And second is yung nature, kasi more on the nature person ako, and then Canada, especially sa British Columbia, na nature and
Ayun. So, for the fourth question naman, what are the things naman na kinonsider mo before pursuing this program?
Siyempre po number one is yung finances. Second is safety ko. Hindi safe ba ako sa Canada. And lastly is, ano yung magiging impact mo sa career ko or sa career path ko after graduate sa
So, very future ready talaga sila. So, for the next question naman, what can you say about Pacific Link College?
Actually, staff were nice and very responsive. You're very helpful and patient.
With your,
Yes, the process.
So, for the last question, ito yung pinakamagandang mabibigay mo siguro sa mga students natin. What advice can you give to those aspiring students that also want to pursue their dream abroad?
Siguro take risk and at the same time take calculated risk. Enjoy your youth and just enjoy your time exploring things abroad.
Lalo na't batang-bata pa, take a risk or lose a chance. So, thank you so much, Ralph, and we hope for your success in Canada and ingat ka sa iyong flight. So, thank you, guys!